Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Saujana Utama is located in the Kuala Selangor district, Malaysia. It has a total of 3,337 students with 200 teachers.
Here we have SMK Saujana Utama's very own STEM site, which is often visited by visitors from all over the nation. The STEM site is also the location of our school's fish pond.
And here is SMK Saujana Utama's very own STEM site. Here is also the location of SMK Saujana Utama's Ikan Tilapia fish pond. However, the presence and population of these fish is decreasing due to the presence of predators, namely the monitor lizard. Monitor lizards love to hunt in the dark, so we have developed an idea for a generator that works day and night based off of wasted oil. The generator will be able to help provide light to the fish pond to make sure that the monitor lizards would be discouraged from hunting here during the night time.
The continuous use of cooking oil in canteens and households produce a large amount of waste oil. This used oil is often disposed of improperly, which can pollute the environment.
How to make biodiesel from used cooking oil? First, we need to collect used cooking oil, then it must go through filtration to remove food particles. Next is transesterification, which is a process using alcohol and catalyst. Finally, it becomes biodiesel for powering a generator such as lamps.
Materials needed: first, use cooking oil; second, alcohol; third, catalyst such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide; next, hot water; and lastly, filter.
To start the project, we need a funnel, a plastic bottle, a spoon, safety gloves, safety goggles, and a small generator, which could be bought from a local Mr. DIY shop for a total of 197 ringgit.
Step 1. Collect used cooking oil. Filter it using a cloth or coffee filter to remove food particles, and ensure the oil is clean before processing. Step 2. Put on safety gloves and goggles. In a chemical safe container, mix methanol with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Stir gently until fully dissolved and the solution becomes clear. Step 3. Add the methanol and catalyst mixture to the clean used oil. Stir or shake the mixture for 20 to 30 minutes. Let it sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Step 4. After a few hours, two layers will form. The top layer is biodiesel and the bottom layer is glycerol, which is a waste product. Step 5. Wash the biodiesel with hot water a few times to remove excess chemicals. Let it dry for 1 to 2 days before use. Step 6. The finished biodiesel can be used in a small diesel generator to produce electricity. Make sure the generator is compatible with biodiesel fuel.
We hope that this biodiesel project will inspire students and the school community to become more aware of sustainable practices and importance of environmental responsibility.